Flashlight warning! Dude! Flashlight warning. Possibly if the signal will be such a prick.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Forsyth County in north central Georgia until 4:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Are you kidding me?
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to continue shortly. Turn around. Encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
I actually caught that on my stream. Oh my god. Dude. I literally caught that on my live stream. No joke.